Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the team currency by selling items for the Beaver Cup Build challenge in Heartopia latest update. Okay, as you can see here guys, that you need to have 10k team currency to complete your construction progress target. And to earn the team currency, actually you can sell your items. You need to find this item near your house, and then you can click on this menu to sell something, and you will get the team currency, which is called the fresh sprout. Okay, and I'm going to sell my katydid. Okay, and I'm going to click on sell. All right, and I just got 60 fresh sprouts. And yeah, you can sell your items to get the team currency, which is called the fresh sprout. Okay, I have earned another 60 fresh sprouts today. Okay guys, then that's how you can sell your items to get or to obtain the currency team or team currency, sorry, in Heartopia for the Beaver Cup Build challenge. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.